Welcome to this introduction on Advanced Fire Global, Africa's largest integrated fire suppression and site service provider, boasting with 25 years of working on the African continent. We offer cutting-edge solutions in fire suppression, emergency management, and various other professional site services, ensuring safety and efficiency across the continent. Our strategic alliances with global leaders allow us to provide the latest technological advances. We ensure fast-acting, cost-effective and reliable services, making us a trusted partner for industries across Africa. Our main product range includes automated vehicle fire suppression systems, fixed fire suppression systems, centralized lubrication equipment, fast fueling systems, hydraulic hose and fittings, and exhaust covers. Advanced Fire Global is the master distributor of Ansul vehicle fire suppression systems in Africa, providing support to 30 countries. Our systems provide 24/7 protection, ensuring safety and peace of mind for vehicle operators in various industries. Advanced Fire Global provides a range of risk mitigation services to minimize the impact on both capital and people. Our solutions are designed to protect assets and ensure safety in high-risk environments. We also offer specialist services, including medical and fire management, to further mitigate risks. Our comprehensive approach ensures that clients receive tailored solutions to meet their specific safety and operational needs. Thank you for exploring Advanced Fire Global's offerings with us. We are committed to providing innovative and reliable solutions to safeguard your operations. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. We look forward to being of service to you.